Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel Speaking Zone. How are you friends? I think all friends are fine. Friends, in today's video, I'm going to talk about how did I learn English practice. So I'm going to talk about this topic. But first, the first thing is, if you are new over here and you are watching my videos, so please subscribe to my channel. When I upcoming uploaded video, so you can get easily the notification my upcoming video. So without further delay, let's get into the video. My today topic is friends. How did I learn English language? As a learner, English language is very important for us. Each and every person want to learn English language because it is very important thing. But the question is, how can we do practice English language? So this is the main problem facing the many people, many English learners. So how did I practice? I want to share with you. So if you are new over here and you are beginner and you want to learn English, but you have no any way how to learn this language from which you can start. So I'm giving and I'm sharing with you my journey. How did I learn this language? So it will helpful for you. Please watch this video till the end. So it going to be helpful for you, and you can easily learn how can you practice at alone if you have no any environment. So friends, if you are beginner and you have no idea, you have no any way how can we learn this language. So the first thing is, you have no need to learn more grammar, because if you are thinking learn more grammar, so you hodgepodge in your mind. In starting I didn't learn that time. I was also not able to speak in English, and I'm searching the way how can I learn this language. I faced many difficulties that time. I have no any idea how can I learn this language. I asked to many people, how can I learn English, how did you learn English, please give me a suggestion. But every person's didn't give me a right suggestion to me. But my searching is going on good, but I'm searching how can I learn this language. So one day one person suggested to me, that was my friend. And she was telling me, if you really want to learn this language, so you have to listen a lot. In starting you have to listening a lot, but pay attentionally. Without pay attentionally, if you are listening anything, so it is a waste of time. There is a no need to waste your time if you are really serious to learn this language. So be patient and attentively you have to listening a lot. If you have no more time, so minimum 1 hour you have to listen. So that time I did listen a lot. And I try to speak it. I give the situation to me. This is the situation and I have to speak it. I put the topic related to any other subject, just like as a happiness, social media, and life. Any put the topic and I try to speak it. You should also try this method. Speak it. You have no much vocab, so you have to little bit. You have a you should a vocab and you have to learn it. if you learn it, so try to speak it. Some person think about it, I learned this vocab, it is enough, but it is going on a wrong way. If your first time you learned a vocab, and after 2 days 3 days later you will forget. If you do not use this vocab, so you will forget these vocabs. There is a need, you have to use it a lot in your conversation, in your speaking you have to use it. Suppose that you are learning only 5 vocabs, so you have to, in a daily basis you have to learn it. If you learn, so it is very beneficial for you, it is a good advantageable for you. So your English is going on improvement. So be consistent always and try to speak it a lot. That time I was too fumbled. I used to speak English, but I didn't improve a lot that time. But when I try to speak to myself, it is the more beneficial. So I'm giving the suggestion to you. If you have no any partner, you have no any environment, to try to speak it with yourself only. You are the best friend to yourself. Uh, so I did practice a lot with myself whenever I alone so talk to myself. I am a two person, Sita and Geeta, and I talk to Geeta and Geeta talk to me. So you should try to speak it, this type of thinking. If you try to this, so definitely one day you will command your English language. Don't try to treat as a subject. Try to treat only a language. This is a language, this is the other language, and you want to learn this language, so it will take a long time for you. So don't worry, definitely you will learn gradually. Today you learn this thing, tomorrow learn, you will those things. So definitely one day you will learn all the things, and one day you will be like as a native speaker you can speak it. So friends, yeah, I did this type of practice. If you want to like this, so you should follow these tips. If you talk to yourself, so it is very beneficial for you. And if you like this video, so please subscribe to my channel. We will meet in the next video. Till then, bye.